Indigo Power owns the solar installation that's going up on the roof. We've decided to use really good, high quality equipment, so that is going to be a system that's a really high quality system, and it's going to also last for a long time as well. So part of Indigo Power's offer is that we are a trusted third party, I guess, that people look to for information. There's a lot of information out there about solar power systems, and people begin to look to us for advice. So we, on this installation especially, are looking to put a high quality system in place. So that gives us a surety that the system, for the 10 years that we're going to own the system, is going to operate well. But it also means that when we do hand ownership over to the old Beechworth Jail after 10 years, that they've got a system that's going to last for a long time as well, and guaranteed up to 25 years as well. So that's one of the reasons we are picking a high quality system that's going to last a long time. So that's all about longevity and return on investment. Indigo Power is a community energy company, and it's got lots of partners in what it does. It's working with community energy groups, including Totally Renewable Yackandandah, including Totally Renewable Beechworth, including Renewable Albury-Wodonga, and many others across the region. So that's a really exciting part of the story as well, is that community energy network that's developing right across the region, and all the different exciting projects that everyone's working on.